Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this week's liqueur series, we're exploring Wild Turkey's American Honey.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, tell us a little bit about this one.
All right. Wild Turkey American Honey. Essentially the original honey liqueur on the market, including bourbon in it. Came out in 1976, which is way before today's all the honey stuff came out. Back in the day, Jimmy Russell created it. It was called Wild Turkey Honey Liqueur. It is at 71 proof, so not just a little bit lower than it. It's, of course, a combination of bourbon and honey, so didn't, not mess with it. And the big reason Jimmy really would like it was that a lot of the women in his family really enjoyed bourbon and honey, so he decided he'd create a liqueur for them. And so on Sunday evenings or any other, hot Sunday there in Kentucky, they're out on the porch drinking it. Also really great with lemonade, they said, so he wanted to create something for him. So he doesn't believe in doing anything half-assed. So he put in 4-year bourbon in this and then added honey, not some of that weak 6-month crap, and then you add some stuff to it. So he added to make it really nice for him. So what he did after that, so he also says that it's really good with lemonade, ginger beer, also with peach juice, and even great in any other things over ice cream that one of his old relatives says they certainly enjoy. In fact, there was a bar in Vegas that created a drink that's called the green juice cocktail. It sounds nasty, but whatever. They added to it this honey, and they added to it blend of spinach, ginger, kale, lemon, carrot, apple, and yuzu in cane. That sounds disgusting, but sure, whatever you do, you. It's also great as a glaze for chicken or ribs. So let's see what we think of this.
A glaze, eh?
And it's definitely thick enough based on the nose.
It's honey.
It's honey, lemon, allspice, sage, and bourbon.
Yep.
It's almost a pledge honey. It's a pledge lemon.
Almost
Close.
a lemon pledge.
But I like it. I like that nose. It's just enough. The whiskey's just barely enough in there. That honey is like, I know we've reviewed Sting way back in the day that they made. It has the ghost peppers in it. It's really like.
I remember. I didn't hate that one.
That was like the first probably 5 reviews we did of liqueurs. It was a long time ago.
It smells a little sweet for my palate, but
I don't think you're going to care for this.
Oh, it's most definitely too sweet for his palate. That is exactly what listed off. It is honey. It is lemon. It is allspice. It is exactly those things.
Yeah, a little black pepper, lemon zest.
Black pepper. Yep.
Lemon cake and a long finish.
Maybe add a splash of bourbon to it to kind of cut it a little bit and then put it over ice for your sweetness level.
It's really not. I really like it. I think it's fun. This is not my first bottle. This is probably like 3rd or 4th bottle of this stuff. I really enjoy American Honey. It's great. I need a new bottle of Sting soon. No, I like it. I think it's fabulous.
Maybe in some tea.
Maybe.
It's great in tea. Great in lemonade. It's dangerous because you really don't taste the booze at all. And so you just taste the honey and the lemon mostly,
the sweetness
and the sweet sugar, and it's dangerous.
Yeah, I might have a hot tea here in a little bit, and that can be
there. You go.
A little additive.
Finish it off. Give it a try.
There you go.
Instead of just putting your regular lemon in there.
Yeah. I think it's good. I think this is the cool thing is my grandfather actually on his bar has an original honey liqueur of this in a mini bottle. It's written. It's cool. Nice. It comes in like this. It's like a tall, kind of looks like a pot still. Has a tall thing and then it has a hexagon on the bottom. It's a really cool old bottle. But yeah, that's what they used to look like. Way cooler than this bottle. Cool bottle, but not as cool as that is. Yeah. I do like the turkey in the back, hiding in the back. I mean, if you guys can see, there's a turkey hanging out in there.
Yep.
Kind of cool.
Yeah, just kind of hidden in the back of there.
Yeah, but it's good stuff. And then it goes for $20, so it's not expensive.
Not bad.
That ain't bad.
So.
All right.
If you're 21 years old and you still have your sweet tooth, this is probably right up your alley.
Absolutely.
Most definitely. All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out with us live on Monday nights. And until next time,
keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Be serious, that might actually be really good in tea later.
Oh, it's great in tea. That's where most of those bottles have gone is into teas.
Yeah. That's
Because just like when I'm sick or stuff, yeah, I love that shit tea.